Time now for Better Food. As we mentioned, it's National Sticky Bun Day. We don't let any holiday slip by on Better Connecticut.
Jen Acuna from Loafing Around LLC is here to show us how to make the delicious pastry to celebrate. Can I just say it smells amazing in here.
If we had smell-o-vision, you would be up against your television screen scratching. Jen, thank you so much for being with us.
Oh, you're welcome.
And Hartford native, born and raised.
Born and raised.
Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And you are, I love the, where did you come up with the name? I mean, it's
actually
very clever.
my son did.
Your son did. Loafing around. Loafing around.
And
I think it's just fantastic.
Hardly loafing.
Hardly loafing. All right, that's great.
All right,
so,
now sticky buns, I feel like they sound like they're hard to make. Like, who's going to make us their own sticky bun?
I wouldn't attempt it, but yet you say we can do this at home.
We can do this at home. The only thing is I did do 2 of the steps already because that does take time.
Okay.
So I will just show you how to roll up the sticky buns and then put them in the plate.
All right, sure.
All right, let's go.
All right, so first we need to do a glaze.
Oh man, what is that in there?
Everything is butter and sugar.
Okay.
Butter and sugar.
Yeah, pretty much.
And that's, is it brown sugar or?
Yes, I used dark brown sugar. I just like the color of it.
Okay, so that's simply what it is. It's just brown sugar.
Brown sugar and butter.
And butter.
Like a stick of butter?
Not quite.
Okay.
About 3/4.
And then you bring that to a boil?
Bring it to a boil.
Okay.
And then you put it in the pan.
Put it in the pan.
And then you put in your nuts and whatever nut strikes your fancy. I did do some recently with pistachios.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, that must have been awesome. I love pecans too, though.
Yeah.
They're both
Pecans,
equally my
maple,
favorite.
I mean, walnuts are good
Walnuts
too.
or anything good like
Yum.
that.
Okay.
Okay, and the next thing we have to do is roll out our dough.
All right, so here's the dough.
Excuse me.
Sure.
And
Now, this is obviously flour and what else?
flour, butter, milk, a little bit of sugar, yeast.
Okay.
And
you'll put your dough recipe online for us, so if we want to make it, okay?
Yes.
Excellent. So we're getting our, I'm going to put gloves on and just in case.
Okay.
So we want to flour our surface.
Okay.
Did you have to let this sit out or rise or anything?
Yes, it did go through an initial ry, about an hour and a half.
Okay. Oh, all right.
To make it nice and puffy. You can use a brioche dough, which is an eggy, yeasty dough for this recipe.
Okay.
I'm not going to roll it out with a rolling pin.
Okay.
It's just as easy. The dough is very supple.
Okay.
It's just as easy to...
Just do it that way, with your hand.
Correct.
Okay.
Now, this is like a cheater's question, but could you buy dough if you didn't want to do this part of it anywhere?
Total cheater's question.
I believe you can buy white bread dough.
Bread dough. Okay.
Sure.
Oh, really? Okay, same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Is the bread is this dough sweet in taste? Or?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, so we roll it out.
We've rolled it out.
About 7 inches by 15. I'm just eyeballing it.
Okay.
Okay, and then the next thing is we put our filling. Again, this is brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter.
Brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter.
And
so this is like an indulgence here.
This is not something you want to eat every day, no. But when you do eat it, might as well have 2 or 3, you know, if you're going to do it.
Exactly. Well, you go for it is right.
Exactly.
So you spread that out beautifully.
Okay.
All right. Isn't that lovely?
And you know, I did forget a step.
Okay, that's okay. What step did we forget?
I forgot to massage it with butter first.
That's okay.
All right.
We'll
pretend we massaged it with butter. Okay.
Pretend we massaged it with butter.
Okay.
I mean, I think we got enough butter in the whole thing.
Okay, and then we start rolling from the long side.
Okay.
Try to make it as tight as possible.
And this is how you get all those little swirls in there.
Yes.
So just to go back, we would take some butter and massage the dough with the butter.
Right.
And then put this on top of it.
Right, so we would spread the butter first.
Okay.
And then we would sprinkle the brown sugar and the cinnamon.
All right, very good. Roll out the muffin, the bun, sticky bun. I don't think that's a song, but we're going to make it one.
Yeah, see, it wouldn't be splattering as such if it was
you know
glued
what?
with the butter.
You know what, Jen? We're not real picky here on Better Connecticut.
Whatever the sticky bun looks like is good enough.
Exactly, and whatever it tastes like, it's going to be amazing.
Thanks.
All right, that looks amazing right there. You did a great job. Okay.
And then I need a knife.
This one?
That's fine.
Okay.
And then you do your little slicing?
Yes, we're going to do, for this size pan, it's an 8x8 pan.
Okay.
We're going to do 9.
9.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
1,
Should I start placing them in? We have about 1.5 minutes left in the segment.
Here you go.
So I'm going to place them in here?
Yes.
But you got to go up,
this
probably.
side.
Oh,
right.
this side?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Perfect.
And then I'll bring.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Thank you, love. Go ahead.
Stop loafing around.
I'm sorry. Oh my gosh.
And here's the finished product.
Okay, so we would put these in the oven.
Oven, yes.
For
at
how?
325
Okay.
for about 30 minutes.
And then
Okay.
we're gonna coat them. You can leave them
No,
here.
no, you flip it over.
Oh, you flip
and that's
it
what it looks
over.
like.
Yes.
You're kidding. How clever is that? It's like apple upside down hot sticky bun cake.
That's amazing.
That is simply
So probably
amazing.
best to eat them warm, but any time is fine.
Yeah, yeah. There's
But
no
that's so
reason to
simple.
wait.
I mean, even I think I could do that. All right, should we give it a try?
Yeah, let's. This is ridiculous.
Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh, Jen. Oh, Jen.
It's an indulgence.
Yes,
That's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I'm glad you like.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Loafing Around has a bread braiding event coming up on March 10th. It's happening at the shop on Bartholomew Avenue in Hartford.
Oh my gosh. All right, to shop for all kinds of breads and pastries, visit loafingaroundllc.com. The shop is located at 55 Bartholomew Ave in Hartford. You can also follow them on Facebook at Loafing Around LLC.